Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for attending this press conference, which marked the launch of the production agreement by PPFIM in collaborations with FINAS and other related associations in our film advertising industry. Welcome.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh kepada semua. Yang berusaha, Mr. Khoo Kay Lai, Presiden PPFIM, Cik Juri Latif Rosli, Presiden GAFIM, Cik Chin Yuki, Presiden Postam, Captain Khair, Mat Noor, Presiden Profima, Miss Perrin, Petrus, Committee Member, and of course Cik Hafiz, also from FDM, Presiden-Presiden yang lain yang mungkin saya tak mention, dan juga to our esteemed members of the media, dan juga to our pengacara. Okey, saya sebenarnya datang kat sini sebab saya nampak apa yang PPFM buat ni adalah satu langkah yang baik. Sungguh pun langkah ni bukanlah nak kata langkah yang akan memberi satu impak serta-merta ya. Tetapi dengan cara perlahan ini akan we shall move towards the objective of what FINAS is trying to do today, which is to improve the standards of the local film and television and content industry. Too many times we exist on a tak payah contractual agreement. We believe in I trust you, you trust me. Boleh. I pun dengan my wife pun all that time pun saya pilih juga. Can I borrow 5,000 to buy that? I pay you next month. And then next month nothing happens. Tapi within the family it's okay lah kan. But sometimes when you are in the role of a penerbit, a producer, where people who work under you depend on you for quick timing of salary, the children, your wife or education or whatever lah. I don't think that's fair. So FINAS sees this move as being one of the move that is ensuring that those involved in the advertising industry can at least bergerak dengan apa tu? I believe the essence of this is that there is some money is being paid upfront before the job is done, kind of thing. Now I know there's been a lot of questions here on willing buyer and willing seller, which is fine. But if that had been fine, then our industry today would have been superb. But since the original MIM somehow went out of orbit, we are facing a situation here where some of our top producers, directors, cinematographers are all working in Indonesia. My last trip in Jakarta, I found so many Malaysians there. And they tell me, I ask them, why are you there? And they tell me, wah sini lagi, more, what you call it, more opportunities and in line with their vision, their creativity and so on. And suddenly, guess what? These are the kind of things that I want to happen here. So we know, I have seen before my eyes this industry sort of collapsing simply because some broadcasters are not towing the line and all that. So, but before we take quick action, as usual, we have to look at all the facts and all the consequential results of what we do. So, FINAS, anything to do with development now, we are in it. And I think after this event, it just opened the doors for us to talk now to PPFIM, Postam, GAFIM, and all the other associations and see how. In fact, this is already going on. Majlis Perundingan Industri Kreatif Negara is already on. We are having 2 meetings every year where we meet the minister. Dan di situ isu-isu akan dibentangkan. Dan where we can adapt, we will adapt, and where we will have resolution, we will resolve it. Some has been resolved, some a little bit more advanced. I give you an example of an advanced situation which may frighten some broadcasters. no broadcaster shall have a subsidiary supplying them content. Okay, that's an idea. Didn't come from me. But this came from the association. Why do they say that? Look at England. BBC has subsidiaries supplying them content? No. Channel 4 has subsidiaries supplying them content? Tak. Undang-undang hanya cakap kalau anda penyiar, anda fokus untuk penyiaran sahaja and jadi penyiaran yang terbaik. Bila anda perlu kandungan, carilah daripada pasaran yang bebas ni. Free market. And it's by law. Cuma dekat sini masih lagi ada subsidi. Jadi pendek kata, kalau macam Finas membangunkan production house dan sebagainya untuk nak membekal kandungan kepada stesen-stesen, kalau stesen tu dah ada dia punya subsidiary sendiri, mungkin dia tak nak. Sebab tu masa saya ke MDEC dulu, semua animasi kita yang terbaik di Malaysia ni semua appear on Disney Channel dan Cartoon Network sebab saya tak dapat pasaran di dalam negara. So saya terpaksa cari Disney, Nickelodeon and Cartoon Network. Okay, that one is a slight digression. Tapi itu just to tell you bagaimana besar industri ini dan bagaimana event macam hari ini, majlis macam hari ini adalah satu daripada langkah yang bergerak, yang menggerakkan kami kepada matlamat yang kita harap kita boleh capai bersama. So dengan tak panjang lengah lagi, saya tahu berapa minit je kan? Okay. Jadi sekali lagi saya mengucapkan ribuan terima kasih kerana menjemput saya ke sini, dan kepada pihak PPFM, tahniah, syabas. Dan saya berharap dengan kerjasama Persatuan PPFM dengan GAFIM dan semua penggiat-penggiat seni di Malaysia ini, kita bersama-sama boleh bergerak ke arah satu era di mana Malaysia will start to make its presence felt around the world. And we have already sent films to Oscar. Satu dah nominated, Lelaki Harapan Dunia is Malaysia punya official entry untuk Oscar. Menang tak apa. Kita hantar dulu. Ni saya beritahu lah orang Penang kan. Cuma kan mamak ni kan. So, we hantar satu. Berlin, semalam ada orang Perancis dah datang sini. Kita dah pilih 2 filem untuk Berlin Film Festival. Sekarang ni itu saja kerja kita. Bukan itu saja kerja kita lah. Satu daripada kerja kita. Selagi kita boleh tempatkan filem Malaysia, short film, documentary, whatever, we will do it. Because I want Malaysia to come back to be known around the world as a force to be reckoned with. Because we have already done it with animation, now kita go for the second phase with our films. So, I hope we could do it together. Because Finas tak boleh buat ni dengan sendirian. Kita perlu pertolongan, bantuan dan kerjasama dengan persatuan-persatuan. So dengan itu, sekali lagi saya mengucapkan terima kasih dan Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.